Hey, Internet. Let's make a cool bow and arrow using cotton buds. First, grab a few cotton buds. Next, tape 2 cotton buds together. Do this for 4 pairs in total. Now let's assemble the bow. We'll use a rubber band for the string. Just attach it to both ends of the bow. And voila! Now let's test it out. Please subscribe to our channel. Good luck and have fun!